Today I am reviewing Dreame H14 Cordless Vacuum Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dreame H14 Cordless Vacuum Mop is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their home cleaning routine. Right out of the box, this sleek and powerful device combines the convenience of a cordless vacuum with the efficiency of a mop, making it perfect for tackling both wet and dry messes on a wide variety of hard floor surfaces. Whether it's hardwood, marble, tile, laminate, or vinyl, the H14 handles it all with impressive precision and thoroughness. One of the standout features of the Dreame H14 is its 180-degree lie-flat reach. This allows the vacuum mop to glide under furniture and into hard-to-reach areas with ease. Its low-profile design fits under couches, cabinets, and beds, with the main body reaching down to just over 5 inches and the brush head down to under 4 inches. This ensures that hidden dust and debris no longer accumulate in neglected corners of your home. Even when fully flat, the H14 maintains strong suction, thanks to a specialized motor that keeps used water separated from the suction channel, ensuring consistent cleaning performance. When it comes to maintaining the brush roller, Dreame has really impressed with its dual rotation self-cleaning system. The brush rotates clockwise and counterclockwise, mimicking the effect of hand washing, and is paired with a comb-toothed scraper that efficiently removes hair and debris. But what truly elevates this device is the 140-degree hot water cleaning system. After cleaning, the brush is automatically washed with hot water and quickly dried within just 5 minutes using a sealed hot air system. This feature means your floors and your brush remain hygienic without any extra effort on your part. Another major highlight of the H14 is its powerful 18,000 pascal suction. This level of suction ensures that even sticky messes, crumbs, and fine dust are lifted from the floor effortlessly. The dual-edge cleaning function allows it to sweep along baseboards and tight corners, catching dust that many traditional vacuums miss. Whether you have pets, children, or a busy household, the H14 can handle daily messes while maintaining exceptional floor hygiene. The Dreame H14 also offers convenience and smart functionality. Being cordless, it gives you full freedom of movement without being tethered to a wall. The lithium-ion battery provides a solid 35 minutes of runtime, which is ample for a thorough clean of most standard living spaces. Additionally, the device comes with a HEPA filter, ensuring that allergens and dust particles are effectively trapped, keeping your indoor air cleaner and healthier. In terms of setup and usability, the H14 is impressively user-friendly. It includes everything you need: a charging base, cleaning solution, replacement filter, spare roller brush, and a handy cleaning brush for maintenance. Switching between vacuuming and mopping is smooth and effortless, and the device is lightweight at just over 11 pounds, making it easy to maneuver around the home. The push-button control and app integration enhance usability, giving you a smarter cleaning experience. Overall, the Dreame H14 Cordless Vacuum Mop is a versatile and innovative cleaning solution that combines power, precision, and convenience. Its fast self-cleaning, strong suction, lie-flat design, and intelligent features make it a must-have for anyone looking to maintain spotless, hygienic floors with minimal effort. From sticky kitchen spills to dust under the couch, this vacuum mop handles it all efficiently, making home cleaning faster, easier, and far more effective. If you're serious about keeping your floors immaculate while saving time and energy, the Dreame H14 is an investment that truly pays off.